August 17, 2024. It's 20 something minutes after we let out the birds. We got some birds in the sky. Jace, go and put that food plate. Go for it, Jace. Put them in. And then, right there. Right here, Jace, put the second one. We're calling them in already, and then we're gonna see from there. See if anyone drift out, but did get birds in the sky. Okay, let's see what we got. Look like we probably have a few birds out. Oh, that's one, just flew back by. So Jace, leave the door unhooked. Let's see if we're gonna get them down. That bird wants to fly though. Let's see if he comes in. Hesitating, but now we got some birds popping out, so we're just gonna close them. We know we got one bird in the sky yet. Jason closed that. We got Houdini in right there. So yeah, we know we got one in the, oh, we got one more right there. Where is it? Yeah, we got two on the outside. So let's see. I'm gonna try to walk this guy up. You got it, Jace? Yeah. Oh, get right here, this guy coming. Nice, 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 perfect. Okay, let's see, let me call this guy in. Very good. Very good. Right here. One more in. I like that. We got one on the tree up there. Or we had, oh yeah, he's there. Never know. Sometimes, you know, we got birds that the last training season that they're stubborn. They want to first stay on the tree. Oh, one more came down right over here. What is that, on yellow band? Is it?
Yep.
On yellow band. This is one of the Deverins, I believe. What leg is it on?
Left.
It's on the left leg. This is one of the Deverins. Good, good, good. Okay, Jace, open that door. Very good. I think that was the first time that Deverin went up. So that's good. Getting some birds in the sky. We still got one in the tree. Right up there.
Oh, yeah.
Right up there, if you guys can see him. Look at that. Being stubborn though. And you know that we fed the birds, but that's what it's about. Training. We real happy, right, Jace? Got birds up. We still got all our chores for do with all the birds, but at the end of the day, we have to alter what we do. Because definitely once these birds know that the other birds ain't eat, they seem for the only thing they want to do is eat. So, I guess this is what we ought to do. Come a little bit earlier, let the birds fly first. Then we take care of what we got to take care of. So I got one more bird out. After everything is done, I'll take a count and I'll let everybody know what's the count of the day. We got 33 birds, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna count in a little bit. And I'm right there, look at the bird. Boom. Think it's one of the other Deverins. Perfect. Is it? No, this is one of ours that we bred. This video gonna come to an end though, so I'll probably put this guy in. And look at that. It'll be no problem. So the Dark Lofts, Big Island of Hawaii.